Welcome to my group again from company ROG. So we have made some products. The product is lemonade. We changed before that because our product before is failed. So we made the new product. So we want to introduce our memberships from me. My name is Pandora Wijayanto.
And my name is Muhammad Fatwa Algan Mustafa.
And my name is Muhammad Rifan Afrika Kusda.
Okay, my name is Ilham Persiaji.
Okay, my name is Mzaki Navari.
So let's see this video.
Now I want to tell you the tools for the making the lemonade. And the first one is a squeezer and a spoon, a knife, a cup, and a cardboard. So let's see the ingredients for the making lemonade.
Okay, so the first step for the make lemonade is prepare your material. We have any material in here. The first material is is simply syrup, and second is ice cube, and then is a lemon, and then is peppermint. So go to the next step.
Introduce the ingredients. We will continue the step. And the first step is we cutting the lemon. Here's the lemon. And we use knife to cut. Okay, after we cut, we press it. We press it until there is lemon inside. Is empty.
Okay, the next is we are mixing. So we have ice cube and then simply sugar, meat, and lemonade. The first is how to make the lemonade is very sweeter, but yeah, you know sweeter salt. The first is we take this ice to the glass. Wow, ice is very big. Okay. And then after that, take this ice. Now we put this. This is 3 teaspoons to this cup. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the next step is we added this simply syrups. 3 spoons big. Wow, it's very nice. And don't forget to add this water. Because what? Because this is very sweeter also. So this is the something is very not nice. So just add the water. And the last is mint. So the ingredients is the last. So this is very nice. And ta-da!
Our lemon is ready to serve. I think I will to try this lemon. Okay, I will try. Wow, I feel the flavor of the original lemon inside, and it feels so fresh. I can feel it until in my throat, and it's so fresh. And I think I like it. The sugar, it's not very sweet, but you can feel mostly the lemon, the original lemon. We can taste it. So clear. To be honest, I recommend you to drink this one. Okay, thank you.
So, thank you for looking our video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share for your friends. Like this video or you don't like it, let's dislike. thank you for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Enjoy.